Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Stuck on Instagram's selfie verification? Here's how to fix it fast. First of all, restart your app and phone. Simple, but it works. Next, check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data for a stronger connection. Make sure Instagram is up to date. An old version might be the issue. Then check camera permissions. Instagram needs access to verify your selfie. Still stuck? Try a different device or wait a few hours. It might be a server issue. If nothing works, contact Instagram support for help. Clear app cache. Go to settings or hold Instagram apps, then select app info. In the bottom right side, select clear data and then select clear cache. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.